Okay, hi there, it's Kim Willis, and we're having a look at Facebook Premiere. Premiere is a recent innovation from Facebook, and it represents another way to share good content, good video content, but not as a Facebook Live. This is pre-scheduled, so you can upload one of your existing videos, upload it, and then schedule it for up to a week in advance. Okay? And you can create a sense of anticipation about it. You can do all sorts of things to promote the event before the appointed date. All right, so let's have a look here. First thing we need to do is upload a video. Now, I've got a few here that I've been looking at. There's one there, the fine art of directed conversation. These are slice of life type videos based on my experiences in developing countries such as Vietnam and Cambodia. Okay. How to make sales without acting like a salesperson is another title. Be in control of the information flow. And there's a few more there, but I think I will use this one, how to make sales without acting like a salesperson. So let's just go back. I think it's a good topic. So let's just go back here and grab one. Grab it. Okay, so just looking at the list here. How to make, there it is, how to make sales without acting like a salesperson. All right, I think I copied the title, so there it is. Don't have to type it out again, and I'll copy it into the description as well. Okay, so there's the title area and there's the description, and I'll go back and add a bit more content there, a little bit more of an explanation, and that'll make it look good. Okay, and then we'll type in some tags. So we'll put free leads, Facebook leads, perhaps something like that. Make sales. A few words there. Click on next. Just check, nothing else here. That's fine for now. You can always go back and edit, by the way. So we've got a number of options here, but we don't want to publish it now. We want it to be a premiere, an event that we can build to, we can promote it. Let's look at the date. All right, well, it's Tuesday as I record this, so you can program them up to 7 days in advance. So I could do it for next Monday, or I could do it this Thursday. I think I'm either thinking of Thursday evening my time or Saturday morning my time. It's Friday, I don't think it will work. I'll go with Thursday. Now, image. Need to add an image. All right, well, I'll just go into my library here and see if I can find one that might be suitable. Just before I do that, the timing. I want to make it about 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. Maybe 8:30. I'm just going to pick one here, or maybe this one. The other one's a bit dark. All right, throw that one in. Click publish. Nothing else I need to do. The Facebook Premiere is not available in Facebook groups, for Facebook groups yet. Maybe it will, maybe it won't, I don't know. But you can share the video in your Facebook groups. But you can't actually run a premiere from there. So we click publish. Now we have to wait a couple of minutes. The video is being processed. And there it is there. Your premiere announcement was published successfully. Okay, so just go up here. Should be able to refresh the page. Probably what I need to do. See if it's Okay, there it is there. All right, so that's how it will look to people, to followers and so on. Okay, so if somebody sees this, they can click Get Reminder. All right, and then Facebook will notify them just before the event is due to happen. Now, what can you do what can I do? If you're doing this, same thing, but what can I do to give it the maximum impact? Well, I can share the video, the exact video. I can share the video in my group or on my personal profile. I can do things like that and see if I can get some likes and some engagement happening. Okay, so you can do some things like that, and that will help boost the social proof. All right, and so more and more people will see the video. After the event, you can use Facebook ads as well. That'll help to also improve social proof, so more and more people will be seeing it. So we don't have to. It doesn't stop with the event. It can you can continue the mini viral effect if you wish after the event as well. So there's lots of things you can do there, and I've written a post about it, and you can read that post as well, which gives you more detail. So that's it for now. That's just gives you a real quick overview as to how to schedule a Premiere event. Read my blog posts, my content, so that you can get a better idea as to the strategy that underpins this and why I think it's another excellent innovation from Facebook. All right, this is Kim Willis. Bye for now.